Hello and welcome back to the channel. Good evening to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. So once again, I'm coming with a latest job openings from a high economical strong country. So it's basically a cruise ship job. So guys, I hope many of candidates have already experienced as a professional in cruise ship. So if you guys are looking for a cruise ship job or if you are interested to apply for this job, then you can apply as soon as possible. So before that, you should know what is the job openings and how to apply. What is the basic requirements to apply for this job? All the details we can discuss in this video. So keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings and how to apply. So as you can see here, this is a multiple vacancies in Viking Cruise. So as I already told you, this is a cruise ship job. So let's focus what is the job openings. First, chef the Cuisine, Sous Chef and assistant chef and chef the Partie and Galley Utility, Storekeeper, wind steward and sound technician, lighting technician, stage manager, laundry, tailor and bar waitress and waitress in cruise experience preferred, assistant waitress and female cafe attendant and female hotel custodial. So guys, there are huge job openings. Both male and female candidates can be applied for this job. So my suggestion, if you have experience in this relevant field, then apply right now. And if you are looking for a cruise ship job, of course you will attend the interview. And once you crack the interview, of course you can get this job. So you know now what is the job positions available, and let's know what is the basic requirements to apply for this job, which is very important point. So for the above job or the above position, if you want to apply, you should have 4 or 5 star hotel or equivalent experience and or cruise line experience. So there are two choices. If you have cruise ship jobs, then it's better. Otherwise, if you have any hotel job experience, then you can apply. So this is the basic requirements. Next, able to speak, read, and write fluent English. So as you can see here, the English language is very vital. So you should speak and read and fluent English. Next, at least 21 years of age. That means the minimum age limit is 21 years. There is no maximum age limit in mentioned. So don't worry, but you should have minimum 21 years of age. Next, citizens of India and Nepal only. So this is very important point also. If you are belongs to India or Nepal, then only you can apply for this job. Currently located in India, not on abroad or overseas. That means you should available in India only. If you are available in a Gulf country or Singapore or Malaysia or any European country or any American country or any African country, they cannot be applied for this job. So before you apply, you should know that you should available in India or Nepal. So as you can see here, if you are available in India, then only can eligible for interview. So this is the applying process. You have to forward your updated CV, your experience details, your educational details, all you need to include and attach with this email. This is the official email ID. You have to forward your document, your updated CV, your educational certificates, your experience certificates, all details to the given official email ID. After you sending your CV, the shortlisted process will be start. Once the shortlisted process will be finished, you will get a notifications to attend the interview in the fixed date and time. Then you have to attend the interviews. So lastly, the important point is the last date of the apply is September 30, 2023. That means today is September 2, 30, September 30 is the last date. So guys, you have 28 days. So don't be waste your time. First of all, you need to know this is a cruise ship job openings, and you should know what is the positions are available. And if you are already available with the experience in India, then you can apply as soon as possible. So first of all, you need to know this is the multiple vacancies in cruise ship. Then you should know what is the basic requirements. Then you should know how to apply. Then you should know what is the last date. Again, I would like to highlight you. This is a multiple vacancies from cruise ship, and there are more than 10 positions are available in cruise ship, and you should have a 4 to 5 years of hotel or cruise line experience. You should speak and read and write fluent English. Your age should be minimum 21 age, and you should Indian or Nepali citizen, and you should available in India or Nepal, and you have to apply by this official email ID, and the applying last date is September 30. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you. So all the details are available in the description below this video. So please, I would like to suggest you go to the description below this video, collect all these information. Again, read it carefully by yourself and understand what is the applying process, what is the positions are available, what is the last date, what is the basic requirements, everything, all details are available in the description below this video. After you read it carefully, you should understand how to apply. Then you can apply as soon as possible before the last date of September 30. And I would like to suggest you once again, if possible, please share this information to your friends, relatives, or any candidates who want to do a cruise ship job in the above positions. So, guys, I hope you understand all the things what I am sharing with you, the important information regarding the cruise job openings. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will share with you the recent job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. Best of luck.